The prize-giving ceremony from Solar Group for participating in the lottery has concluded. In one of the rounds, our winners, Alexey and Elena, won a motorcycle. In another round, they won another Liberty motorcycle, equipped with a combined winding Slavyanka motor. Solar Group decided to generously give the guys a boat, complete with an advanced outboard motor. This remarkable motor was specifically developed by the innovative Resurs cooperative, and it proudly features a cutting-edge Slavyanka combined winding motor.
I thought I'd just arrive and take the boat out, but when I got here, I realized I had to inflate it. I didn't even know.
When investors test equipment with Duyunov Motors, whether they're Vietnamese, Africans or US, we notice that as we demonstrate this equipment, grown men turn into children. They start shouting with excitement, smiling and laughing.
Listen, when we first got the motorcycle, it was all about the emotions. Riding it was interesting, but now the feelings are completely different. These are indescribable sensations.
We spent the whole day on the river from morning until late in the evening, and after we parted ways, the guys even decided to stay a bit longer to walk around and relax.
I think that since we already have an electric motorcycle and an electric boat, all that's left is to win an electric car. No, but seriously, it's awesome. Especially if you live somewhere near the water, in a country house or something, it's absolutely indispensable. Honestly, I'm thrilled. I didn't expect to feel so many emotions. Really, I didn't expect this at all. I mean, I thought it's just a boat. I've ridden boats before, but this is something a bit different. We really lucked out with the weather today. It just worked out for us. The weather, it's the last day of good weather. And on top of that, the water is warm. Maybe we could even go for a swim. Pull it towards yourself a bit more. No? Let's go slowly. No, it's just that there's nothing like that here. There's no completely quiet mode. Yeah, it's either quiet or... Wait, maybe here. Does this turn off? Can you turn this off?
Try pressing it. Oh, now it's going quite slowly in eco mode. Yes, definitely eco mode.
We found the eco mode. That's the minimum. That's it. This is the minimum, or rather, the maximum. That's as far as it goes. For a stroll, for going somewhere like this, it's just perfect. I'm really satisfied.
Wishing everyone a great mood, have a wonderful day, and see you next time.